In this video we will discuss about what is virtual reality. Let's get started. VR is a computer-generated simulation or replacement of one's environment. For example, you put on a headset, it blocks out your worldview and substitute the digital world that's designed to fool your senses from the point of view of your brain. You're somewhere else. It's a form of mental teleportation, if you will. So where did VR come from? However, the historical journey of virtual reality began back in the 1800s. This marvelous idea has been evolving from the time practical photography came into existence. Modern High Lake invented the first VR device called sensorama in 1957. His multimedia device, the sensorama, is considered one of the earliest VR systems. However, the term virtual reality was coined later by Jaron Lanier in 1987 during his intense research on this evolving technology. A lot of companies are investing billions of dollars in the VR sector. Some of the best VR products are Oculus Quest, Nintendo LeBeau VR Kit, Sony PlayStation VR, Lenovo Mirage, and many more. These gadgets enable an individual to immerse in a digital environment to experience a world which is different from reality. You might think VR is all about gaming, isn't it? But the potential of VR doesn't stop there. It is revolutionizing many other industries like education, military, medicine, and sports. Here are some examples of VR in real life. Class VR is an innovative new concept in the educational industry which uses VR tech to raise the engagement and knowledge retention for students of all ages. Class VR uses VR headsets with a user-friendly interface for both students and teachers, gesture controls, and very educational resources. Facebook is coming up with a new idea called Facebook Horizon, which is an ever-expanding VR community where you can explore, play, and create. It helps you to defy physics and reality and experience that impossible. And we also have VR 316, which is a 360-degree audio-visual simulation. It allows the user to look around in any direction just like how they look and observe things in real life. You can experience anything from standing on top of a pyramid to enjoying Tomorrowland sitting at home. Isn't that wonderful? We can't end the topic if we didn't highlight the role of VR in gaming. A great take on this is the movie Ready Player One by Steven Spielberg. The film is set in the year 2045 when the world is on the brink of chaos and collapse, but humans have our salvation in a virtual reality universe where they could make the impossible possible. Hope you understand what is virtual reality now. Thanks for watching.